Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian plugins for authors. If you're an author who loves outlining, drafting, and tracking progress in one place, plugins can turn Obsidian into a powerful, distraction-free writing studio. In this video, I'll walk you through where to find the right tools, how to install and enable them, and how they fit into a real writing workflow. We'll focus on two essential plugins for long-form writing, Longform and Data View. By the end, you'll understand how to set them up and how they can support your creative process. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you keep your writing projects. Once you're inside, head to the bottom left corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the main control center for Obsidian, where all plugins, themes, and preferences are managed. Inside Settings, click Community Plugins. This is where you can browse, install, and manage third-party tools created by the Obsidian community. These plugins extend what Obsidian can do far beyond its default features, especially for writers working on complex projects. Before continuing, make sure Restricted Mode is turned off. This allows community plugins to run properly. If it's enabled, disable it and let Obsidian reload. Once that's done, click Browse to open the plugin directory. You can search directly from here, which makes it easy to find tools designed specifically for writing workflows. Start by searching for Longform. This plugin is designed for authors working on novels, screenplays, or any structured writing project. Open its page, click Install, and then click Enable. Installing adds it to your vault, and enabling activates it so you can actually use it. With Longform enabled, you can break your manuscript into individual notes like scenes or chapters, then arrange them into a structured project view. This makes it easy to reorder sections without copy-pasting or losing structure. You can also keep optional scenes, drafts, and revisions organized in one place. A helpful tip is to use consistent naming for your scenes and add simple tags like draft, revised, or final so you always know the status of each section. This keeps your writing environment clean and easy to navigate. Next, go back to Browse and search for Data View. Open the plugin, install it, and enable it just like before. Data View is one of the most powerful plugins for authors because it turns your vault into a queryable database. Instead of manually searching for notes, you can automatically pull information based on tags, fields, or folders. For example, you can list all scenes in a project and sort them by chapter, filter only notes marked as needs editing, or group characters by role or storyline. You can even generate tables that track your progress or summarize your entire manuscript structure. The key to getting the most out of Data View is consistency. The more structured your tags and metadata are, the more powerful your queries become over time. To recap, you opened Obsidian, went to Settings, enabled Community Plugins, installed Longform to structure your manuscript, and installed Data View to organize and query your writing like a database. With these two tools working together, you can plan, draft, and manage entire writing projects inside Obsidian without losing clarity or structure. Keep your plugins updated, stay consistent with your tagging system, and your writing workflow will stay smooth and scalable. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy guides. See you in the next one.